Today, we are going to learn how to quickly remove duplicates in Excel. First, click on the very first cell in your list.
In this example, I'm clicking on the first fruit name.
Next, press and hold Ctrl and Shift, then press the down arrow key. This instantly selects the entire column of data. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Data tab. In the Data Tools section, click on Remove Duplicates. Make sure the correct column is selected. Here, we can see a checkbox that says My Data has headers. In this case, we leave that box unchecked. Why? Because our list starts directly with real data: apple, banana, mango, and so on. There is no header row at the top. If we checked the box, Excel would treat the first fruit name as a header and ignore it, which would give us the wrong result. You should only check My Data has headers when the first row of your selection actually contains a column title, like the word fruit. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Boom! Now all the duplicates were removed. In this example, Excel found and removed 39 duplicates and left 14 unique values. And that's it. Your list is now clean. This method is super useful whenever you have long lists with repeated entries. Give it a try and see how much time it saves you. If this video helped you, show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Bye for now, until next time.